How to fix Roblox not opening on PC. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Roblox when it's not opening or launching on your PC. So if Roblox refuses to load and you can't get into any games, just follow along step by step to get it working again. All right, let's dive in. First, click on the search bar at the bottom of your screen and open Task Manager. Now, once Task Manager is open, type Roblox in the search box. If you see any Roblox background processes running, select them and hit End Task. This closes anything stuck or frozen in the background that might be blocking Roblox from launching. Next, we're going to clear some temporary files. Click the search bar again and open the Run tool. In the box, type %local app data % and press OK. A folder will pop up. Scroll down until you find the Roblox folder. Right-click it and delete it. If you see more than one Roblox folder, delete those too. This removes corrupted files that often cause Roblox not to open. Now let's repair the app. Open Search, type Settings, and open it. On the left, tap Apps, then choose Installed Apps. Search for Roblox, click the three dots on the right, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and press Terminate to stop it completely. Then hit Repair, and after that, tap Reset. This refreshes the app without deleting your account or progress. If Roblox still won't open, the next step is uninstalling it. Go back to Installed Apps, click the three dots next to Roblox, and press Uninstall. If there are multiple Roblox entries, uninstall all of them. Once that's done, we'll reinstall Roblox. Open your Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, and press Install. After it finishes installing, go ahead and launch Roblox, and it should finally work again. And that's it. These are the best steps to fix Roblox when it won't open or launch on your PC. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.